By far, the biggest issue I've had with motovlogging is the audio.
Can you hear me now? Good. Can you hear me now?
Finally got it fixed. Stay tuned to find out how. 5 years, put a whole bunch of miles on it, and it only cost me $2,500. Right there is why you always have to be ready to emergency stop. This guy had all the room in the world ahead of him. He's the only person I knew that had a horrible sense of humor like mine. As a matter of fact, when something bad would happen to one of us, the other would celebrate. Like I said, he died in a car accident, so I obviously won that game. I went through so many different microphone options. First I tried the Bluetooth in my helmet. That sounded okay, but definitely not good enough, and it was not working at all for live streaming, so that had to go. And then I went with a wired mic. I got a Saramonic with the USB-C connection to plug into my Insta360 camera. Wouldn't you know, you can't plug it directly into USB-C, even though that's the input. You need an adapter. So I got the adapter and plugged my mic into it. Wouldn't work. The USB-C port on the adapter is only for pass-through charging. Can't plug a mic in there. Only place you can plug in the mic is the 3.5mm headphone jack. So I bought a microphone with a 3.5mm headphone jack. The Rode Lavalier Go. Great sound, but it still wasn't exactly what I was looking for. Also, it was hard to keep the wire out of frame. So I went and got the Rode Wireless Go 2. I couldn't get it to sound right. I guess it's because the only place I could mount it was right in front of my mouth, but it was just too much even with the gain turned all the way down. I plugged the Rode Lavalier Go into it, the wired mic, into the wireless mic. That gave me much better sound, but still, it wasn't perfect. I've heard a lot better. So this time, I tried the first. Let me tell you, when I plugged the Rode Wireless Go 2 into the DJI camera, it sounds a lot better than it does on the 360 camera. But now, I got the DJI microphone, plugged it into the DJI camera, and that's what you're hearing now. So much better than anything I've ever tried before. So now I'm here at Best Buy, gonna return a whole bunch of crap that I don't need anymore. Well, not a whole bunch of crap, just the Saramonic microphone and the adapter they sold me that was supposed to let me plug a microphone into my camera, but it didn't work. It was an Apple product. I asked them, does this work with non-Apple products? They said, yeah, but it didn't. So now, I'm going to Best Buy, get this taken care of. Man, they are getting real loose with these return policies. I don't remember them ever doing anything like this. I returned the 2 items I told you about, but I asked them, can I hold on to the receipt? Because there's another item on there I need to return. So I had the item with me, but I didn't have the box. I was gonna come back when I had it. He said, oh no, you don't need the box. But you gotta be kidding me, are you serious? They just took it back, gave me my full refund without even having the box for it. Wow. That doesn't even make any sense. How are they gonna resell it now? Not my problem. Pretty cool they do that though. And Best Buy, they've always had a 30-day no questions asked return policy. You can literally break something on purpose and bring it right back. As long as it's not past 30 days, they'll give you a full refund. I used to drop my phones in water all the time. All different scenarios, all different ways. One time, I was at a party playing Jenga. And there was a pool, an in-ground pool. I made my move. I took a step away from the table, right into the pool. All my clothes, my phone in my pocket, really expensive sneakers on. Yeah, that sucked.
Ay, Douglas Antonio.